Hi everyone! Want to sound polite and confident in English? Today, you'll learn simple and powerful words like please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me that you can use every day in cafes, shops, buses, and more. Let's start speaking polite English the easy way.
Hello. Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like sugar or milk with your coffee?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Sure. 1 coffee with milk coming right up.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Excuse me, can I also have a glass of water, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Could I have a cup of coffee, please? May I get a coffee, please? Please give me a coffee. Can you bring me a coffee, please?
Here, let me help you with that bag. It looks very heavy.
Oh, thank you so much, Ben. That's very kind of you.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help. Many thanks for helping me.
Excuse me, can I get through here, please?
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead. I'll move.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, may I pass? Excuse me, can I get by? Excuse me, please let me through. Could you move a little, please?
Excuse me, could you help me find travel books?
Sure. The travel books are on the second shelf to your left.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, do you work here? Excuse me, could you tell me where the travel books are? Sorry, can you help me find something?
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I didn't see your foot there.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
I hope I didn't hurt you.
No, it's fine. Thanks for apologizing.
Sorry about that. I'm really sorry. My apologies. Pardon me.
Excuse me, may I ask a question, please?
Yes, of course, Ben. Go ahead.
Sorry to interrupt, but I didn't understand the last part.
No problem. I'll explain it again.
Excuse me, can I say something? Sorry to bother you, but... Excuse me, may I speak? Pardon me, could you repeat that?
Ben, I'm really sorry. I forgot to bring your book today.
That's okay, Anna. You can bring it tomorrow.
Thanks for understanding. I'll make sure to bring it next time.
No worries. Thanks for letting me know.
Sorry, I didn't remember. I'm so sorry, I forgot. My apologies, I'll bring it next time. I forgot. Sorry about that.
Excuse me, could you please take a photo of us?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Smile.
Please take a photo for us. Could you help me, please? Thanks a lot for your help. Would you mind taking a picture for us? Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Ben. Could you please pass me the salt?
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Please give me the salt. Can you pass the salt, please? Thank you for the salt. Excuse me, could you pass the salt?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, may I sit here? Is this seat taken? Can I sit here, please? Is this seat available?
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station, please?
Sure. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The station is next to the bank.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Can you tell me the way to the train station, please? How do I get to the train station? Excuse me, where is the train station? Could you help me find the train station?
Excuse me, can I try this shirt on, please?
Of course. The fitting room is just over there.
Thank you.
Take your time. Let me know if you need a different size.
May I try this shirt? Could I try this on, please? Can I use the fitting room? Is it okay to try this on?
Could I have a bowl of soup, please?
Certainly. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
I'd like a bowl of soup, please. Please bring me a soup. Can I order a bowl of soup? May I have some soup, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bump into you.
It's okay. No harm done.
Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Sorry about that. My apologies. Pardon me. I didn't see you. Sorry.
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? Over there, at the ticket counter. Thank you very much. One ticket to Central Station, please. That will be $5. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you.
That's okay. No problem.
Where is the ticket counter? Can I buy a ticket here? One ticket to Central Station, please. Sorry, I didn't see you.
Excuse me, can I borrow your pen, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you so much. I'll give it back tomorrow.
No problem. Take your time.
Could I borrow your pen, please? May I use your pen for a moment? Thanks a lot for lending me your pen. I appreciate it. I'll return it soon.
Sorry, I'm late. The bus was very slow today.
That's okay. We just started.
Thanks for waiting for me.
No worries. Let's begin.
I'm sorry for being late. Apologies for the delay. Thank you for waiting. It won't happen again.
Mom, may I please use your phone to call my friend?
Yes, of course, Anna. Here it is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I use your phone, please? Is it okay if I use your phone? Thanks for letting me use it. I appreciate it, Mom.
Thank you so much for fixing my bike, Ben. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
If you need help with anything, just ask me.
Thanks, Anna. That's very kind of you.
Thanks a lot for your help. I'm very grateful for your help. I really appreciate what you did. Let me know if I can return the favor.
Would you like some cake?
Thank you, but I'm full right now. Maybe later.
Okay, no problem. Let me know if you change your mind.
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks, but I'm okay for now. I appreciate it, but I don't want any right now. Maybe next time, thank you. Thanks for offering.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. Don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss any new videos. Please write a comment below. Tell me which polite word you use the most or want to practice next. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and happy learning!